Hey guys, it's Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got two new inflatables right here. We have an 8-foot Halloween inflatable ghost with skull. That's new out of the box. And we have an inflatable, looks like a train, pumpkin train or something like that. That's pretty big too. And we also have two foggers here, brand new, LED. They have the lights and things like that, and that's an RGB. So this one is actually a little bit different than these. These are LEDs, and RGBs are a lot more brighter. It shows looks like it glows in the dark, but I'm not really sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set these up. When it gets dark, we'll do a night version and a day version, obviously, with a little bit of light here. Let's get this party rolling. Alrighty, so this is what comes inside the box. What's really cool is these ones are wireless. So you can see right here, we have the wireless remote. This is the RGB one. I actually got a black one, so that'd be kind of cool if I got a glow in the dark one. But I'll let you guys know what that one looks like, and I'll put the product links down below if you're interested. And this has the bright lights and things like that. This is the LED one, and it has the remote too, so you'd be far away from it and change it so it's lock and unlock. Looks like a button there, things like that. Don't look like anything I gotta pull out. So let me get them out of the box, fill them up, and we'll go from there. All right, with the LED 500 one right here, this one, let me see, does it have a name? Really don't have a name, just says fogger. You got a color changer, so you can change and control the colors any which way you want. There's your remote. Comes nicely packaged. And this is everything in this one, the RGB one. I can't wait to see this one, because RGB lights are really cool. If anybody's wondering, I used the Fogworks. I got this off Amazon too. I put a link down below. There was three versions of this. There's a lighter version. This is the medium, which is, you know, in between heavy and light fog. And then there's a heavy one, which is really thick, heavy fog. So I went with the medium one. And this, all the previous videos where I did the demo, I used this one, the Fogworks. But I filled them up. Let me get them plugged in, and we'll get this party rolling. All right, check this one out. This one's pretty neat. You hit the unlock. It gives off a nice set of smoke, very bright. The colors are sustained on this one. You can't do too much with this one. It goes pretty good. Oh, these mosquitoes are killing me, man. Now this is the other one, and it's really cool because it has an auto setting, auto fog, the LED lights, and as you can see, they could change. And you can program them as well. Okay, let's see if it's warmed up yet. So it comes with a remote. Oh, there we go. There we go. Check that out. This one's real nice. Oh, and it comes with extra lights. I forgot the top one. Look at that. This is a nice one. This is nice. I like this one. Wow, this is still smoking away. That was an auto fog. Now it's manual.
Help me zoom in.
Let me stop it. You crazy child. Alright, so we're going back to this one. This is the one with the 6 lights right here. You can see. That's really cool. I'm gonna put auto fog, and I'm gonna see if I can, because it has this controller right here to control the light sensitivity, bright. Whew. Hold on, let's turn this off. I guess that's not gonna work. So let's see here. We got fade, smooth, flash. So then it's fade. Oh, there we go. See how they fade out? That's pretty cool. Smooth. Oh, scary.
Yes.
And white, or I don't know what that is. Off. On. Let's see. Let's go with just black like blue. There we go. So we could just leave it blue, or I guess this is black like purple. There we go. I don't know. I like this one. This one's really cool. Like I said, I'll put all the links down below in the video description. But let's get these inflatables up. Oh, fix it, babe. Oh, whoa, whoa. He's sideways. Well, I like this one so far. Yeah, that's a long one. You gotta maybe come over here and pull it a little bit. And then untangle that. Yeah, see it's tangled. So rotate it. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Looks like the wind's blowing this way. I guess we could lean against a tree. I'm not tying them down yet. Well, I can't get it yet because this one keeps falling. And then this one. I like that ghost one though. It's pretty cool. See, my wife's a ghost. Can't see her.
Perfect, huh? And that's
Yeah. So check him out. Oh, he's got a venom tongue. I like that. It has the kaleidoscope type lighting in there. This train is absolutely adorable. I like that skeleton coming out of there. That is really groovy. I really dig this one. I mean, they're both really cool. I'll put the links down below, but this will be your day version. Darkness is going to come soon enough here in San Antonio, Texas. And we'll do it at nighttime with some fog, and hopefully the wind dies down a little bit. With that being said, I got to head back to New Mexico. My mom's funeral is this Friday. I do have the twins, the pumpkin twins from Home Depot. They arrived today. Hopefully I'll get that video out tomorrow before I leave Thursday morning. Once again, thanks for all of your condolences, thoughts, and prayers. Also, Deja Vu, check them out. They're going to send me a couple masks to do some reviews for, you know, and they're an up and coming bunch of dudes that are really cool. They got some awesome videos. I'll put the link down there for Deja Vu, and you can check them out, and I'll have a little custom code. If you want to order something, you can use SpookYou code to get 10% off your order. All right, so let's get a little close look at this. I love the blower on this. It's a pretty nice little blower right there. Check that out. So you got these wheels, this little witch and a ghost and another little ghost back there. Got a little pudgy nose, and looks like the pumpkin's open right there. You can see. And the witch is adorable. Now this little guy cracks me up. And then with the spider web and the spider right there, really neat. You got this cat, and then you have this little Reaper dude heading up the Halloween train here. It says Happy Halloween. Now this ghost is really neat. I like this. I bet this is gonna look good at nighttime. You got this big giant one right here, and then you have the two little dudes popping out of this skull. It has a kaleidoscope inside. Really groovy. I dig this. I got all these off of Amazon. I'll put the links down below. I would highly recommend these. they're just super cute. I'm not, and the train's not even tied down, and he's hanging out pretty good, but you can see all the tied down straps and everything right there. And I just did a quick tie down right there on him. These foggers are really amazing. I like this one because you can put auto right there. So we're good to go on that. This one, we just got to push the button. It's remote. I really like this one. This is super sweet. I can't get enough of that skeleton dude. I love his eyes. That green is really good. Wow. All right, so this is your daytime look at these. And back out a little bit. And we'll wait till it gets a little darker and then we'll give it another shot. See how everything looks in the dark. Guess I can give you a back view. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna be able to get the full nighttime view because I gotta put this stuff away, and we have a rainstorm coming within the next 10-15 minutes, they said. So this will be your night shot. It looks really good. I really like both of these inflatables. And that one right here, that fogger, I'm gonna put that as my favorite. So in case you want to get it, that one was 49 bucks. This other one right over here was 39 bucks. But that fogger is awesome. Look, you can see the color changing of the lights and everything, and it's just automatic. It does it on its own and everything like that. But we'll give it one last burst. Enough of my talking, and whoa, okay. All right, so hopefully you guys like this video. Once again, I gotta head to New Mexico, and there they go. I was just talking about how they were standing up on their own. But I have the pumpkin twins from the Home Depot. They arrived today. I gotta go pick those up at the store tomorrow. We're heading out Thursday. You're gonna lift it up for me? Thank you, sweetie. Like I said, make sure you check out Deja Vu. I'll put the links down below. They have a lot of cool masks, and they're trying to be up and coming with the Halloween. So I'll put all those links down below. Put the links for all these in the video description as well. All right, until next time. SpookYouLaterz. They fell down, man. There's my little helper. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That wind's just gonna blow it, isn't it? Hey, don't kill the witch. Crazy witch. Yeah, he's got the venom tongue. He's waving bye. SpookYouLaterz.